Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy French toast. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need some good quality bread, ideally thick cut, about 1 inch in thickness, to really soak up the flavor. We'll also use 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and a touch of sugar. This combination forms the perfect base for a truly delicious breakfast treat that everyone will love. Now, let's create our flavorful batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs and 1/2 cup of milk until they are thoroughly combined. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and a small pinch of cinnamon to add that classic warmth. Make sure your batter is smooth and consistent, with no streaks of egg white, for an even coating on your bread. With your batter ready, it's time to soak the bread. Gently dip each slice into the mixture, allowing it to absorb for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. Meanwhile, preheat your griddle or pan to a medium heat, aiming for around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your yummy French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with a drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to your batter. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of bread, like brioche or challah, to discover your new favorite French toast experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.